Alright guys, what's up? This is the last of the Zybooks D335 Introduction to Programming in Python. Lab 15, Practice Test 2, so 30.15. Um, the task is write a Python program that performs the following steps. Accepts an input integer representing the age of the pig in years. Import the pre-existing pig age module. Use the built-in function pig age converter from the module to calculate the human equivalent age of the pig. Note, 1 year of a pig's life is the equivalent to 5 years in humans. Output the result in the given format where input pig age is the pig's age in years. Converted pig age is the human equivalent of pig age. So they want both these to come out. So if the input is 8 pig years is the equivalent to 40 human years. That's how they want it written. Makes it easy on us. So we'll get started. This is actually pretty short for, I feel like the rest of the codes are sort of longer. As always, we start with the int input because it's going to be numbers. Oops. And then we're going to just call the pig age. Hold on. We got to set up the variable first. Converted underscore pig underscore age. All right, that is set up. So what that's doing is essentially creating a the converted pig age to the input human age. It's converting it. You see the pig age converter. It converts it from the pig age to human age. I feel like I should change that to human age, but this is how I already have it set up, and it's correct. So now we're gonna just call it. If I can type, print the function. Now we'll copy and paste that. Pig years is equivalent to 40 human years or whatever it is. So, oops, wrong spot. Equivalent to converted pig age. And let's add that in human years. I do recommend just copy and paste it so you don't have a typo. They'll have it up there, so it's like you might as well just copy and paste it from here, because this is how it should be formatted. So they want the input pig. You could literally just do this and then have typed print parentheses f quotes and then control V, and then you could just do bracket and then bracket to make it easier on yourself, and then bracket this as well. Just like that's literally what I just typed all out there, and it makes it so much easier on yourself. So now I don't know if we can run this on here because I don't think the pig age is an actual module in Python, but it might be. Yeah, see, it's not. Okay, so I'll just show you on here. I would have preferred to change this to like not converted pig age, but human age, or which one was it? Pig age converter. Yeah, but you don't have to. Like that's obviously fine, and it's probably in the pig age converter, so it's in the module. So don't change any of this. I was just kind of thinking out loud, but so let's run this just to check, see what we get. It's preparing the environment, so we'll do 8 and enter 8 pig years is equivalent to 40 human years. Is that right? Yep, that's right. So we can run that again, and let's try. Oh, there's no other Okay, well, we're not gonna. Let's do 5. Okay, easy peasy. And they said that it's 1 to 6, or 1 year is equivalent to 5. So if you did 5, it'd be 25. You can kind of do the math there yourself. But yeah, as you can see, it's correct. And that was module or practice lab 15. Take care.